Okay, we're almost done with this vector drawing. I want to add some colors, and then I want to add in that star logo at the very end. Now, to do the colors, we're going to use the palette that they already made for us. It's in a second file. If you go to File, Open, and you go into your Lesson 2 folder, you'll see in here a file called Site Colors, and it looks kind of like a painter's palette. Go ahead and open that up. And these are some of the colors we're going to use. Now the trick is to get this file to be open at the same time as our other file. If you go to Window, you'll notice that the file you're working on, which I haven't saved yet, you should save yours, it's still called Untitled 2, and then I have my site colors. I can go back and forth by using the Window key. What I want to do is go to Window and say Tile Vertical. By doing that, both pictures show up at the same time. I can see them both side by side. I'm going to turn off my rulers. There. I'm going to turn off on this one as well. Now what I want to do is, let me check my colors real quick. My inner circle is the brown and my outer circle is the tan. So I'm going to select my outer circle first. It's highlighted. Click on, you have to click on the edge. You can't click in the middle of it. And then over here where it says the paint bucket or the fill color, I'm going to click on that, and just like in Dreamweaver, you can go up and touch a color and we'll learn it. So I want to fill it in with color number 2. Now I'm going to select the inner circle and fill that in with color number 3. Now I've got my basic colors, and I believe those are the only 2 colors we're going to use. We also want to get rid of the stroke color, or the edge color of each one of these circles. So I'm going to select that circle, turn my stroke to transparent, and the same thing with the inner circle. Now we don't need the site colors anymore, so I'll close those, open this back up. Now the final step is to draw that star. And that star is inside your vector tools. Drop down your choices. It's the polygon tool. So you select polygon first, and then you have to go over into your property inspector in your lower right hand side, and the shape of the polygon, drop that down. You have 2 choices, just a regular polygon where you could draw like hexagons or octagons, or you can choose a star. And I'm going to draw a 4-sided star, and I'm going to make my angle about 26 degrees. I think it turns out pretty good. Now I'm going to get in the middle, and I'm going to hold down my Alt key, but I'm not going to use my Shift key. If you hold down the Shift key, it will only let you put the star on like 45-degree angle increments. Instead, I want complete freedom to move this, and I'm just going to eyeball this, get it lined up about here, and there's my star. And now I want to make sure the color's right. I want to make it white and an invisible edge. So when you're done, that's right here is about what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Save it right inside my Lesson 2 folder, and I'm just going to call it Logo. And that's it. You're done.